Okay, so what do you like to put inside of your sweet potatoes?
I love to put brown sugar inside of my sweet potatoes. If we have a little nutmeg, like I love that. I love any type of vanilla flavor. What about you?
I think, so I do brown sugar, butter. It's very basic. It's not anything fancy. But then I also add cinnamon sometimes. So that's what I add. Carter, what do you think? Sweet.
Sweet. Brown sugar or you have a preference?
Usually what mom is brown sugar, cinnamon, butter. Definitely butter.
A lot of butter, brown sugar, cinnamon.
On today's episode, we will be using pure maple syrup from Vacchiano Farm here in central New Jersey. We're going to be using this for our sweet potato pies and to season our ribs.
Get together.
Such a big holiday. People don't even think of it as being thankful sometimes. They just think of it.
But if they're with their family, the people that they care about, they end up being thankful.
Do you not like the pizza?
I wanted to.
I wanted to. Yeah, but we're
Alright, I'm gonna take this off. No. Oh, you said the prime. I thought you said the candy.
Oh, bad.
Do it again.
Wait.
Alright, hold on. Let's do it again without the candy away.
Wait, but isn't it authentic?
Yeah, but I'm saying these things take away from the authenticity.
But it makes it authentic when it's there.
I know, because it's real.
You thought it was gonna go?
It's a Shrek. It's a Shrek.
I love it.
Because like
No.
but yeah, so it's like
Apple pie. And then we're going to use the crust to put on top of it. Like this.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking we were doing.
Okay, yeah. And then after that, we'll do sweet potato pie,
cheesecake.
cheesecake.
Cheesecake makes sense with graham crackers.
Yeah. Okay.
And we have those cherries.
I didn't know you and
And
Dad.
I got cherries.
I love cherries so bad. Like, I like
Okay, so
Oh, it's beautiful.
okay, with this.
Yeah, what?
You right here? Nope. That's the best that we can do. Gillette, the best we get.
Daddy, can I taste this?
Sweet ham.
I'm gonna taste this so then taste it big. Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Thank you so much, guys.